Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Technoholic. I am so frustrated with ChatGPT and then the way it answers. And here I'm not talking about their previous model. Here I am talking about some of their latest model. Okay, so here I have selected this O3 Mini High, and then if we go down here, you can see I was doing some research on a certain model of motorcycle, and then I was concerned about the vibration on that model. Okay, so I was thinking of comparing certain bike model, and if you are a bike lover, you may be aware of these models. Okay, so the first one is from Kawasaki Z650. Then there is a smaller bike which is Aprilia 457. Then again smaller bike Yamaha MT-03. And to my surprise, here you can see it is again from Kawasaki, and it says Yamaha Versys 650. And despite that, I asked this model, I would suggest to have a look at internet since when the Versys became Yamaha. Okay, and then again I guess he did some research on internet. Okay, and then here you see it again confirmed me back that this is Yamaha Versys 650, not Kawasaki Versys 650. And for your information, let me actually search for Kawasaki Versys 650. It exists, and here is the bike. Okay, now let me search for Yamaha Versys 650, and if there is, so there is no Yamaha Versys 650 as you can see here. And then Google again rerouted us back to Kawasaki Versys 650, not Yamaha Versys 650. Okay, and even if somebody is mentioning Yamaha Versys 650, if you click on it, you will see that you will again redirected back to Kawasaki Versys 650. Now coming back here, and then again I ask him again Yamaha Versys 650, what is that? And then it shows me the spec, and again I ask, is it from Yamaha? It says yes, Versys 650 is manufactured by Yamaha. And then I said, not from Kawasaki? He says, that's correct, not from Kawasaki. Now I'm gonna say search on internet. Okay, again, and let's see. Now it be coming with the suitable answer. Okay, and then it says I rechecked available online sources. The Versys 650 is exclusively Yamaha model. Kawasaki doesn't manufacture this motorcycle. Oh boy, who will tell this model that how crap you are? I mean, how stupid you are. And I am paying $20 to get this kind of thing. Now, let me choose another model. Probably this will fix this issue. Maybe let's go with this O3, or I'm gonna say check again. Okay, so again the same shit. So let's check DeepSeek, and I will intensely make mistake by saying, can he tell me about Yamaha Versys 650? Okay, so I'm gonna also enable its deep think. Tell me about Yamaha, and here I actually saying that this bike is from Yamaha. Okay, while with ChatGPT I was telling him that this bike does not belongs to Yamaha. Okay, let's see what it come up with. And see, wait, no, the user said Yamaha Versys 650. Maybe that's a mistake. Wait, actually no, Versys is a Kawasaki model. So I would say DeepSeek is a really capable generative AI model, and here you can see it fixed it actually. It says that Yamaha Versys 650 doesn't exist. Versys is a model line produced by Kawasaki, not Yamaha. And if you are asking about the Kawasaki Versys 650, here is the overview, which is absolutely correct. And then it is also letting me know what is the comparable model in Yamaha, which is Tracer 7. So that's again, I'm gonna say now let me close them and let's go back to our topic. Now, let me go with O1. O1 again, is one of the most powerful ChatGPT model available. Check now. And let's see if O1 work or not. And seems like now the O1 was able to recognize it correctly. And till then, you can see how bad these new models are. So if you are doing some kind of research, I would suggest not to use these O3 mini and mini high. They are probably one of the dumbest model I saw. So what do you think about these ChatGPT model? Do let us know in comment down below. I definitely want to listen from you. I mean, is it really worth paying $20 per month, or somebody is paying $200 per month to have this kind of result? Can you really believe on what AI is saying? It is really tough. And that's also wrap up this video. I hope guys you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to AI and other productivity topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.